What's up?
Hi.
It's Uptown Swing, level 2.
Swing Out Month.
That's Stacia.
And that's Brian. And we have not filmed this before this very moment.
Never once.
3 things we want you to think about for the swing, for in general, but as we're doing Swing Out Month. I want you to imagine you have a little resistance band around your legs. You can't take these big old steps and have your weight right in the middle. I want you to take hip width distance steps and actually change your weight when you take a step. Number 2, I want you to think about your posture, not bend over. Try to keep your head up like a little helium balloon. Your spine can be the string. And the third one was totally, oh yeah, the connection. We can't just get too far. And that's it. So we did teach you a new thing.
The theme was resistance bands.
Yep.
We had this outside turn, right? Step, triple, step, step, triple. It was using the rotation that you set up. Direction, rotation, triple step. Boom. Triple, direction, rotation, triple step. We had the weird hand at the end. Just flip it over after you catch, right? Step, and that's what we did. We'll see you next week.